Ready? Let's go.
3, 2, 1. Hit the max button.
Okay guys, let's go. Get into it. This is the sprint. This is the workout. It's only 25 seconds. You got 15 seconds left. Keep it going. Remember, Bowflex guys, down in the descriptions, clickable link. You have 5 seconds. Keep it pumping. Let's go. Come on. All right. Great job. Now relax. Nice and deep breaths. You want to get a nice spin here, but you want to recover at the same time. Remember guys, if it's your first time stopping by, this is the Bowflex Max Trainer. This is not the Bowflex channel though. This is the Oil Fill Workout Guide channel. Anything you want to know about Bowflex or the equipment, I have a clickable link down in the description. Go check them out. Okay, that was sprint number 1. We have 43 seconds left to recover before sprint number 2 is coming up. Today might be your lucky day. I'm not feeling all that hot. I've been doing a lot with the moving, things going on. I'm a little tired, but that's no excuse. So we're still doing the workout, and so should you. If you're tired like I am, just slow it down. Get a nice spin during the recovery, and then get a good interval. We got 10 seconds. Coming up on sprint number 2. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Come on, get into it. You got 20 seconds left. Let's go. No backing down. I want you to keep it up there. Get a good interval. No excuses. 10 seconds left. Anyone can hold 10 seconds. Let's go. Keep it spinning. Keep it spinning. 3, 2, 1. You're finished. Relax, relax. Bring it way down. Good job. Right now you should be concentrating on your breathing. You should be concentrating on the placement of your hands, full extension of your arms, making sure your legs aren't doing all the work. It's a full body workout. Most of all, I want you to not be concentrating so much on dreading this workout. You should be enjoying it. There's no reason why you should be worried about this workout. You've got plenty of time, still 38 seconds to recover. Make sure you got your coldest bottle of water right there with you so you can get a nice cold sip of water while you're on the recovery. We got 16 seconds left. We're going to go into sprint number 3. This 14-minute workout doesn't last long, guys. Remember, we're doing what most people do in an hour. We're doing in 14 minutes. 3, 2, 1. Juice it up. Come on. Get into it. You got time to relax on the recovery. This is the time that you're supposed to be hammering. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Keep it going. I don't want you to back it down. Come on. 10 seconds left. We go through the finish line up here, guys. We do not stop short. 3, 2, 1. All right, relax. The coldest water bottle. Look at that beautiful green water bottle. Right down in the descriptions, I have a clickable link for you. You can find all these plus other gears for the coldest. And it's true too, guys. 24 hours later, that drink is still nice and refreshing enough that you can get a nice drink out of it. A little trick too, if you put them in the fridge ahead of time before you put your cold drink in there when you go out camping or hiking or just for a walk around the block, you still stay nice and chilly for you. As you can see, I have mine right up on my cup holder. That's smaller than the cup holder and it's nice and stable, never falls out. All right. A lot of times, guys, it's a psychological issue when you are working out. So If you think the workout is getting to you, change your hand positions, change the speed, change the resistance, change whatever you have to, okay? Don't let this mentally catch you. You got 10 seconds. We're going to go into the next round. 3, 2, 1. Okay, juice it up. Come on, it's only 25 seconds. Let's go. Get it moving, get it moving. I am not going to take it easy on you here. This is the workout. You got plenty of time to sit around on the couch and do other things at other times. Right now we are working out. Get your butt moving. 10 seconds. Do not back out of it. Let's go, let's go. 3, 2, 1. Okay, now relax, relax, recover. Get that deep breath down way deep in that lungs. I'm still pushing around 30, but I'm telling you, I'm feeling tired. For my experts out there that have been doing this for a while for me, this might be the day you might be able to get me. Come on. Take it at your own pace. Change up that hand grip if you have to on the recovery. I want you to really concentrate here. Slow it way down if you have to. I mean, if it's really, really tiring, I don't want anybody to quit on this. What I need you to do is take it as easy, as slow as you can. See, I'm dropping below 30 now. I'm probably right around 20, 26, 27, somewhere in that area. That's not normal for me. But even when you're tired, even on a stressful day, you still got to get your workout in. I don't just preach this stuff, guys. I do it too. I don't just work out on my best days and put it on YouTube for you. You get the best and the worst from me. If I fail, you get to see it. Come on, come on. This is the sprint. I should have told you ahead of time, but you can see it up there on the board. You got 10 seconds. Come on. Keep it going. Keep it going. 3, 2, 1. Now guys, if you notice, I've been doing a lot more manual and a lot more 14 minutes. The reason being is because there's a lot of people in my comments that are finding M3s, M5s, M6s. There's a couple of people that did find the M7s, which is the new M8 or M6. So I've been trying to stick to some of the same ones. If we want to do calorie burns, if we want to do fat burns, let me know in the comments and I'll get around to that. But I kind of have to cater to everybody on this channel. I don't want to leave anybody out. So, all right, come on. We're still in a recovery. We have 34 seconds. It's plenty of time. Do what you need to do to get yourself fully recovered for the next one. Breathing is the key, guys. If you do not suck in that big gulp of air way deep in those lungs, you are not going to recover those legs at all. Keep it going, keep it going. We have 10 seconds. We go into the next round. We're doing good. 3, 2, 1. Here we go, here we go. Keep it going. You got it, come on, you got it. We have 15 seconds. No backing out. We have 10 seconds left. Come on, I'll give you the countdown in a minute here. Come on, come on. 3, 2, 1. Okay, relax, relax, relax. I don't care if you're gulping for air. I don't care what you're doing. You know the deal. If you have to come almost all the way to a crawl, come to a crawl. Just recover. Just recover. You can do it. One thing about this channel here, we do not encourage any kind of quitting. We do not encourage any kind of excuses. Remember what our saying is here. We are not working out for today. We are working out for when we can no longer work out. What does that mean? means the longer that you keep yourself healthy, when you finally get old and can't move around as well, your muscles are going to be nice and tight. You're going to be in good health. You're not going to be one of those fragile old people that fall out and break your bones. That's what that means. All right, we're doing 20 seconds. It's plenty of time. Plenty of time. You should be feeling really good right now. Guys, on these, when you're relaxing like this too, on this recovery, you should get at least a sip of water. Get used to doing that. I know I don't do it a lot because 14 minutes is not a long time for me on this. I've been doing this for quite a few years now. But don't. Here we go. Here you go. Come on. Come on. You don't need me to tell you to take off. You can see it. Your bell's going off on your machine too. Get it, get it, get it. Come on. 10 seconds left. You need to get it all the way through the finish line. We do not stop short. Come on, get it, get it. 1 second left. All right, relax, relax. We got 1 round left. You got this. You got this. Ooh. If you guys are stopping by for the first time, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell notification so it dings every time I upload. And I upload a lot. We get a lot of workouts in here. Guys, if you didn't see my pull-up workout, go check that one out too. We're trying to venture off into new things here. If that's not your thing, that's okay. Keep it pacing. We got 1 more round here. Look at that gorgeous coldest bottle. That's the one I have. I love that little bottle. And when I'm not in here in the gym, if I want to go out for a bicycle ride or something with the wife, it fits right on the rack of my bike. It's great. Or if I want to take the Harley out for a ride, it goes nice in the cup holder. Of course, we're not taking our Harley for a ride today. I woke up this morning, it was 1 degree out. All right, pay attention. Here we go. 5 seconds left. 3, 2, 1. Last round. Come on, juice it up. I want your best out of this one. Wherever you got that first one at, sprint this one too. Get it moving, get it moving, get it moving. 10 seconds left. Come on. You got it. Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Through the finish line. Come on. All right, now we just got to finish this workout out. Guys, remember one thing. You can go check out the other websites if you want. But I'm the only one that puts a control panel right up in front of you and lets you see the whole thing. I do this for a reason. Guys, this workout is not for me. This is not for me to try to show off for you. This workout is so you can see where I'm at and catch me and pass me. That is the whole purpose of my YouTube channel. I want you to get better. Alright, keep it going. We got 40 seconds left of this workout. Great job today. I know I've been a little lengthy on the videos in between each other. And I appreciate all my viewers who have been putting up with the big move that I had from my apartment into my new home. Remember guys, if you want to check out, even if you have a Bowflex, go down there to and click that link if you need any parts and get it represented on there. And if you can't find what you're looking for while you're clicking through on Bowflex's website there, get it represented on the phone and tell them what you're looking for. And maybe it's not often you need a new part with these. All right, good job.
Oh. Alright guys, let me stop my watch. I was struggling hard past couple days. Oh. Alright, we got the workout done. Remember, 2 parts to this video. So this is part 1, make sure you check out part 2. Alright, love you.